Not wise from said a Wookiee.
Keep your distance, though, Chewie, but don't look like you're trying to keep your distance.
Never tell me the odds.
Watch your mouth, kid. You're gonna find yourself floating home.
I don't know where you get your delusions, laser brain.
Look, your worshipfulness, let's get one thing straight. I take orders from just one person, me.
Will somebody get this big walking carpet out of my way?
Better her than me. Come here, you big coward. Chewie, come here.
No reward is worth this.
I love you.
I know.
Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're my only hope.
Everything's under control. Situation normal.